Good morning. Just going to film Tom just taking his barrow through there, and then watch this. Comes out down there, and he just gets stuck every time. It's horrible. There you can see we are just starting the path up down to the bottom patio. So his main focus today is put one more run in, flags, stone his path up, put his path in, and then prep the bottom area ready for actually working on a Saturday. So yeah, it's just barrowing this round there. It's a right pain in the ass. So it's new builds in it at a minute. We've just been talking to a few people down the street, and they're this is an end terrace, so it's not too bad, but they're mid terrace, so you've got to walk all the way around like 3 gardens to get into bloody back. So we'll see about that one. We'll see about that. But yeah, let's get stoned up. I'll show you what we're doing later. So this afternoon, it's been pretty fast paced this afternoon. So we've shoved this in and then reduced these sleepers to form this bottom patio area. While I've been doing that, Tom's stoned up, and can't really tell. There's too much crap in this garden. We need to get rid of this pile still. But yeah, we could feel it taking shape now. Once this patio comes from here across, we'll find us line for the sleepers at that side, and that'll get reduced again to the same length down there. And then we've got a pergola going in where I'm stood, so this corner halfway across, roughly 3 meters out, and then back to the wheelbarrow, and obviously there. But this is a triangle, so we normally build obviously square pergolas, but yeah, it's going to be a bit of a triangle one. So as you can tell now, it's evening now. Well, it's, what is it, 4 o'clock, and sun's over here. So in summer, sun's going to be up here even further. So you can sit under the pergola with a glass of wine. Like I say, we're working tomorrow, so I'll put that in this video. We don't want too many 4-minute videos, do you? It's rubbish. So see you morning, guys. Have a good evening. Good morning. Check us out on a Saturday morning. We're doing this bottom patio, do a few rows, maybe it's 4. It's going to rain 3 o'clock, but it looks like it's going to rain now really. So yeah, stone this up, give it a good whack, dig the holes for the pergola, the front 2 holes, and then we can cut around it with the Indian stone. When we get to the other side, then we'll put the posts in again, wherever it falls, you know, where it's all squared off and stuff. But yeah, main target today is just lay. That's all we seem to do, just lay Indian in it. So yeah, see how we get on. I don't know. I'm just gonna You're just putting that one in? Yeah, this one in, then start that run. Go on, Tomo, give us a click. Beauty. That's the first posting. So now we're going to start laying this front row coming across, which will mark the start of the patio. Yeah, let's get us groove on. You and I, no one else. Oh. The fucking singing.
Not the speaking of having fun.
Shall I get through? Not a bill in it. Just missed it.
Treat me.
There we have it. Cut up there, and then just this corner. When we take this gate out, we're going to take this gate out on Monday. Put it up there by that post round corner over there, and then this is open. We'll flag this, and then we're down a ginnel now, aren't we? So, and then just rail and pale this. It's nice and fresh. I will probably be able to use the pails from over there, to be fair. But yeah, the pergola's there. And we just need one in this corner, which will be tomorrow. Just need to pick one more post up on Monday, sorry. Yeah, shot on that side as well. But yeah, quick hose down, home time. Feels big down here now. Feels nice. Feels like a nice, just, she doesn't like grass. So she's having grass, but just not a massive, just a postage stamp, so it's doable, you know what I mean. But yeah, it's looking good. Let's try and get up over here. A different angle. See how much of a triangle it is at this end. But yeah, at least it's a flat for a new build, or half new build. At least it's a flat garden. They're normally on the hills, aren't they? Got some woods behind there, it's quite nice. It's quite nice. Right guys, I'll see you on Monday. Bit of a long day, go have a couple of beers now. See you soon.